Hi guys, in this video we're going to take you step by step how you can mint your um paws NFT voucher. Okay, first of all, the first thing you need to do is just to come to your paws website, paws.community. You head to this place, this menu, you come to this pre-market, click on pre-market, and it will bring you to this place. Right now there is a lot of queue, a lot of people are trying to mint their own, so there is no chance right now, but anytime you have the website is free, you can come back and mint your own. But I'm gonna take you step by step what you need to do before you can mint your own. Just come to this place. Okay, this is a guide. I'm opening the guideline. Okay, 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 like mint and trade Pulse voucher. Pulse voucher is an exclusive way to engage in the Pulse ecosystem before the official token release. These voucher allow users to participate in trading and set the stage for future interaction and with PAOS token. Only eligible PAOS user can mint this voucher, which can be traded peer-to-peer on the Magic Eden Press marketplace at a price set by the sellers themselves. So you're going to be setting your price if you mint your own. What does minting a PAOS voucher means? Minting is the process of creating a PAOS voucher as an NFT, recording it on a blockchain. So what can a voucher holder do? Hold and trade. List your voucher on Magic Eden, the official marketplace for Powers Voucher, and trade with other users from each Powers Voucher trade. A 5% loyalty fee will be allocated to the liquidity pool. Convert after 3 years. Wait until the token generation event to exchange your voucher for Powers token. The conversion rate occurs at the rate of one voucher equals to 200 Powers point. Step by step guide to maintain Powers voucher. So start at pre-market stage session. So at that menu, you just go to that place, the official website. This place we are now, and navigate the pre-market session. So when you go to the pre-market, check eligibility, verify if you meet the eligibility criteria for minting. You must meet the mandatory criteria and be eligible for drop. You must hold no less than 300k powers point in the account. Your phantom wallet must be connected and funded with sufficient solana to cover your gas fee. So if you don't meet the criteria requirement, don't worry, visit the official powers voucher collection on Magic Eden, where you can purchase a voucher directly from the marketplace. Minting process for eligible user. If you are eligible, follow this step to mint your voucher. Access the minting platform. Open the pre-market session. Okay, so just come to this place. So first of all, so see the step you're going to take. Access the minting platform. Open the pre-market session on Pulse. So when you open it, you connect your Phantom wallet. Ensure your wallet is linked and ready for transaction. So this is how you connect. When you just click connect, the particular Phantom wallet which you connected during the connections stage. So prepare for minting. Check your Solana balance. Make sure you have a little amount of Solana. You can have like $4 worth of Solana in that wallet in order to pay for your gas fee. So look at the confirm. So when you make sure that the thing, just click the next. Okay, I showed you the process because there are a lot of people on the queue. The thing did not show. So you click on this next. When you click on this next, it will take you to this place. It will ask you to mint. Just click mint. It will review your transaction carefully. So one voucher, 1 pound. So this is a gas fee. It will only and take you 0.0001 SLAM, 0000 SLAM. So for the transaction fee, so it's very small. When you confirm the minting transaction, pay the required fee, receive your voucher. Congratulations, that's how you go about it. Once the minting is complete, your voucher will be stored in your Phantom wallet under the collection, under the collectible tab. Okay, you have a collectible tab in your this, and you will see your voucher there, visible on Eden for viewing, trading. So when you want to trade it, you can connect. You can go to the Magic Eden and connect that particular wallet. When you connect that particular wallet, you'll be able to trade it there. But if you don't want to trade it, you can just leave it. When this when a pulse list, you can convert it back to your pulse token. That's how you do it. Okay, so if you have any question or if you have anything confusing you, I want you to leave it on the comment section so that I will answer your question, and I will be ready for any question that comes. Thank you for watching.